What's up, red checkers, and welcome back. Today we are at the creek. We're gonna do a little creek fishing. Now, it is late August, so the bite typically slows down everywhere, but we're gonna give it our best shot. I got a feeling the creek's not gonna disappoint, but even if it does, it's still fun. So let's go. Give this little creek a shot. Hopefully we can hook into something. Let's head upstream. Trying to come around the outskirts of that fallen structure there and hoping not to do that. Not to get snagged, but heading upstream anyway, so we should be able to dislodge it. I don't even see it. There you go. Don't tell nobody my secrets. Just between us red checkers. Check this out, guys. Here we are, the 19th of August, and the leaves are falling. Autumn is right here. It's already upon us. Caught me your favorite fish, the branch bass. Well, we all got to do our part, right, to clean the river or creeks, make our fisheries nice and clean. There you go, branch. Right now I think I got another branch bass. Yes. Oh, look at that one. My PB for the day. Got him, boys. Here we go. Got a nice little smallie here. Beautiful. Check him out. Check him out. Right in the corner of the mouth. On the Hula Grub. Nice healthy guy. There you go, posture for me, fella. Good job. Let's give him a nice release. One of my little cousins asked me, he said, "Do you catch a fish on every cast?" I said, no, I just kind of fast forward on my video editing. So shout out to Josiah. Wow. So what are we gonna do here? Should we cut through Spiderville? Or do we just hit it through the middle? Let's go. Oh, I lost one. Didn't set the hook, wasn't sure what it was. Got it, boys. Here we go. Oh, man. He spit it out. Ah. Hey, that was a rush. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. It got me twice. Shame on me. Can you see that? Trying to fish through that little pocket right there. Felt like a good one. Now I got a branch. Come on. Let's try to slingshot this. Well, he won. So the hula grub just broke off, but I just tied on a Nikko Hellgrammite, black with a blue flake. I think that one should produce, but there's only one way to find out. Got one, boys. Here we go. This little guy. Yes. Love seeing these guys. Nice little red-eye Rocky. AKA rock bass. Check them out. Posturing for you. Look at those eyes. Thanks, little guy. That's one for the Nikko Hellgrammite. See if there's any more there. Basically, I'm tossing it up creek and just dragging it slow. That's our second species. Got another one. What do we have here? Another one. Wow, this was a fat boy. Look at that. Probably my PB. Check him out. That's a nice little guy. He's not a bad little fish. If these things got bigger, man, they would be so amazing. Let's give him a good release. Come on, Hellgrammite. Let's catch something. Ah, oh, missed him. Let's try it one more time. Got him that time. Here we go. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. We got a nice little small jaw with the Nikko Hellgrammite for the clutch. Let me reset this guy real quick. Got him. Pulled him out of there. Let's go. This one's a little bit better. Stay on, guy. Stay on. It's not the same. Whoa, yeah. Come on. Dance for me, dance for me. Yeah. That's the one. You're the guy. On the Nikko Hellgrammite. Ouch. Even got me. Check him out. That's number 2 in the same location right there. Tossing it right underneath those logs. Not a bad little guy. Let's give him a good release. So I'm going to show you what's going on. This is what you want to look for as the fish are coming downstream. Little bait fish will swim through here, right underneath the structure. Let's see if there's any more. Oh no, that doesn't count. All right, guys, that doesn't count. That's my mulligan. Oh, there's another one down there. Got him. Here we go, guys. We got another small jaw. Ooh, ooh, oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Man, he's a fighter. Let's go. Ooh, hey, he's got a lot of grit. Man, check him out. Yeah. Third time was a charm. A little bit bigger, a little heavier, small jaw. There you go, red checkers. Nice guy. Let's give him a nice release. Wow, that's a fish. They're stacked underneath there. So when you find a good spot like that, especially in the summer, this late in August, stick around, catch you a few. Have some small bites. Some little guys, man, they are brave. Look what they did. I gave my Nikko Hellgrammite the business. Who wants a shot at this nice, juicy Hellgrammite? Oh man, I think I'm stuck. Lost it. Well, it's probably a good place to end. That's gonna do it for today, red checkers. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, that'll really help me out. I pray that God continues to bless you and all of yours. Now let's get out of here.